Ciao, this is Chiara and welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is on a chunky cowl with the mini bean stitch. For this project I use this super bulky yarn Violana Big by Lane Mondial and the 12mm hook. Start with a slip knot and now chain 13. In the third chain from hook, we work the first beanie bean. Insert your hook and pull up the yarn. Yarn over, insert your hook again in the same stitch and pull up the yarn again. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull up through all 4 loops. And chain 1. Now skip the next chain and in the second another bean stitch. So insert your hook and pull up the yarn, yarn over, insert your hook again, pull up the yarn. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Pull up the yarn and close all loops and chain 1. So go ahead until the end of this row. Finish this row with the mini bean stitch in the last chain and chain 1. For the second row, chain 1 and turn your work. And now it's very simple because we work in the hole in the left of the mini bean here in this little triangle. In the left of the mini beans of the previous row, we work another mini beans. Chain 1 and we work into this hole another mini bean stitch. Chain 1 and repeat until the end of this row. This second row is complete and now let's repeat the row one more time together. So chain 1 and turn your work and 1 mini bean stitch in this hole in the left side of the mini beans of the previous row. Chain 1 and repeat until the end of this row. Now the third row is complete and now you continue on with this until you have 64 centimeters high. And here we are, 64 centimeters long. Now I'm ready to cut the yarn and sew the two hands together. Now hide your yarn in anywhere into the work. The chunky and super cozy cowl is now complete, but I want to attach a little brooch. I choose these 3 roses. I made it with this beautiful Sizzix cutting dies. You can find the link under the info box below. But of course you can choose to decorate as you like. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments. So thank you for watching, stay warm and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!